class. Myself Smita teacher. In previous video I have taught you how to write the place value of underlying digit and what is the place value of that digit. Okay, but some kids they have sent me message that what is the place value of 0 if 0 is underlined in the number. Okay, so I will explain with one or two example. First example, 30,050, that means 50, and here 0 is underlined. Okay, which 0? This one. I have explained this in expanded form. Okay, 0 is underlined. The place value of 0 is equal to 0 is equal to, see this 0 as it is. After this 0, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. What is its place value? 0. If 0 is at any place, the place value of that 0 is 0. Why? Suppose I have given to my son 0 Cadbury. One time I have given him 0 Cadbury. Second time I have given him 0 Cadbury. Third time I have given him 0 Cadbury. And fourth time I have given him 0 Cadbury. Okay, that means 4 times I have given him 0 Cadbury. Then how many Cadburys he got? 0. Same way here, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 times I have written, but its value is 0. Like as 4 times I have given him 0 Cadburys, that means 0 Cadburys he got. Okay. Is it needed to take next example with a 0? Okay, I will take. See, second example, 2000, and this 0 is underlined. This 0 is at unit place. The place value of zero is equal to only this 0. After this no digit, so here no zeros. Or if it is there, then also its value is 0. Okay, understood? Students, we will see the next point, the different breakups of a number. What is meant by breakups? Okay, one example I am giving you, very funny example. Have you break the cup or saucer? Have you break a cup or saucer? If you have broken, then what is the reaction of your mama? Yes, you will get scolding if you will break the cup and saucer. Same thing, how if a cup has fallen from the hand, it cut into the pieces, it break into the pieces. Same thing with numbers. Number we have to break into the pieces. That is called as breakups. How? I will explain. Okay, first example I am taking here, 125. Can you tell me the places of this number? From right side, first one, that is the units, then tens, and then 100. Okay, units, tens and 100. These are the places. Then how we can break this number? See here, as it is. What is, suppose here first breakup I am writing. Of this number you can write many breakups. How? See, first breakup of this number. What is, as it is, I am cutting or I am breaking the number into places. See, this is units, tens and 100. Just you have to write the digits according to their places. How? See here, 1, what is, at which place it is? H. That means 1H. You can write here, instead of H, you can write full word also. How? 100. Then put comma. Second, what is 2 at tens place? So, 2 tens. Then third, 5 units. 5 units. Otherwise, you can write in short also. How? See here, 1H, 2T, capital, and 5U. U also capital. In short. We will write in short only. There will be very less confusion if you will use short form. So we can write many breakups of this number. How? See here and observe carefully what I am writing. 125. It is the number. From right side first one, units, tens, 100. We are going to use short forms. I have told what is the benefits of using short forms. 1 at 100 place. So just write down places of the number. I have divided in this number into units, tens and 100. In 3 pieces I have break the number. It is called as breakups of a number. How in 3 pieces? See, 1 H, 2 T and 5 unit. In 3 pieces I have break the number, so it is the breakups of the number. Okay. Now 2 at tens place, 5 at units place. Okay. In this way just we have to write. It is first breakup. Now second same number write down and make 2 groups. I have made here 3 groups. Now you have to make 2 groups. How? From right side first one, this is the unit, and then this one tens. Okay. 12 at tens place. Okay. 1 to 12 at tens place. It is the rule. We don't have to take 2 digits in one place. It is the rule in addition. When we add vertically, we have to add only 1 digit at tens place with another number's digit. Okay. But here only in breakup it is allowed to take 2 digits or 3 digits in one place. Okay. Are you getting what I am saying? Actually, it is not allowed to take 2 digits in one place when we are adding vertically. Okay. But only in breakups, this rule is little, what we say, flexible. Okay. So you can take 2 digits in one place. Okay. So this you have to consider only in breakups, not in addition. Okay. If when you will add, you can't write these 2 numbers in tens place. These 2 digits in tens place. Okay. Once again I am telling. Now this number I am going to break into 2 groups. From right side first one, units, and whatever is remaining that I am writing in tens place. So which numbers are there at tens place? Which digits are there at tens place? 1 to 12 T. Okay. Now give comma. Here 5 unit. Got? Now C number. 125. This all digits I am going to take in one place. Which place then? Starting place from right side, that is the units place. So last breakup is 125 units. One trick I am telling. If it is so difficult to understand, so 2 breakups you can make only. How? Which one? You have to make 2 breakups. At least 2 breakups. How? See, write the number as it is and which places are there. Put digits according to their places. That is the first breakup. Second, give all digits to the units place. Over. Then this at least 2 breakups you can make it very easily. And if you understood this concept, then many breakups you can make. Okay. So students, second example, 408. What is our rule? First, write down places and write the digit according to their places. That is the first breakup. Okay. So first breakup, 408. This is at unit place. This is at tens place. This is at 100 place. It is our first breakup. So 4H, 0T and 8U. It is the first breakup. Then second breakup, see here, 408. I am going to make 2 groups. This is the first and it is second. So from right side this is units and this is tens. How many digits are there at tens place? 2 digits. So 1, 2, 40. 40T and 8U. It is second breakup. And third breakup is very easy. These all digits we have to give to units place. 408. Only one group I am making. That is the units place. So 408U. These are the breakups of 408. Got? Very good. So open your test book, page number 13. Okay, exercise. Work out and write different breakups of the given numbers given below. Work out and write different breakups of the numbers given below. Here 5 numbers are given. I have explained you 125 and 408. Its breakup I have explained you. That means 3 digit numbers I have explained. So this first and second example I will not explain now. We will see third example. 6745. I will explain this example on blackboard. Students, open your maths textbook, page number 13, exercise. See, in explanation I have explained 2 numbers. How to make breakups of 3 digit numbers I have explained. So no need to take first example, which is 679. 3 digit number, it is so easy to make, I have explained you. Second example also similar to that. Third example, it is little difficult, so I am taking 6745. You have to make breakups of this number. You can make 3-4 breakups. Okay. So first one, what I have told, as it is. As it is means write down places. That is the first breakup. Units, tens, 100, 1000. We have to write as it is these digits. 6 at 1000 place, 7 at 100 place, 4 at tens place, and 5 at unit place. This is the first breakup. Okay. Second, now this number I am going to make into 2 groups. Which 2 groups? See here. This is first and this is second. How many digits are here? Only 1, that is the units place, and here 3 digits I have taken in tens place. So 674 tens, 5 units. Third breakup, same number. Now I will make 3 groups. How? See. First, second and third. So it is at unit, tens, and these 2 are at 100 place. Okay. So what is the breakup of this number? 6700, 4 tens and 5 unit. And which is the last? Very easy. This number, make 1 group and put in 1 group and make the breakup. What is the number? 6745. Make only 1 group, which is units. Okay. And write down the breakup. 6745 unit. So if it is 4 digit number, so then we can make 4 breakups. Did you understand? So students, today's homework is you have to complete exercise from textbook, page number 13 in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and study well.